this guide, I will be showing you guys how to verify your age on Roblox for Roblox Select Accounts. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to understand what Roblox Select Accounts are. These accounts are designed for users aged 9 to 15 and are assigned either through Roblox Universal Age Check system or through a verified parent. Once your account falls under this category, Roblox provides a safer and more curated experience with filtered game access and updated safety controls. Now, to verify your age, start by opening the Roblox app on your device and logging into your account. Once you're in the home screen, go to Settings section and look for the account info or personal information. If your account is eligible for age verification, you'll see an option to start the verification process. Next, Roblox may ask you to confirm your date of birth and complete an identity verification step. This usually involves submitting a valid government issue ID or using a secure parent-assisted verification system depending on your reason and account type. Make sure all the details you enter match your official documents to avoid any issues. After submitting your information, Roblox will review your verification request. This process may take some time, and once approved, your account will be updated as a verified Roblox Select account. This means your access will be aligned with the Select system, allowing you to play eligible games and experience the platform under the updated safety framework. Keep in mind that Roblox Select accounts are limited to games with content maturity labels up to moderate and only include games that have passed Roblox selection process. Your communication settings will also remain unchanged and your account will display a distinct visual indicator showing its select status. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.